Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. I hope I'm using the right mic. I want to show you something before I start, before I do another video. This is an art journal that my friend Katie made, which my friend Robin bought me, which I'm thrilled to death. Actually, this was bought like, I don't know, a month or so ago, and surprised me, and I love it, and I've yet to work in it because, well, you guys know I've not been doing videos, and it's so pretty. So I just want to show you guys real quick. She makes them in books. So this is a little princess, because you know I'm a princess. And you open it. These are girls that I've been, geez, oh Pete, I've been friends with them for over 10 years. I know that for a fact. And they're wonderful. And although we don't speak daily, we could speak as if we just talked yesterday. They're wonderful people, and I'm very blessed. And, I was just, Anyway, so look at this. She made a pocket. No, I want to make my own journals, and I'm not going to lie. I'm going to, like, peep at this. Mine will be different than hers. Obviously, this is her style and all. But it's beautiful. And it'll take me days to go through everything and show you. But, I mean, look how beautiful. Just beautiful stuff to use. And, like, where do you get all this stuff from? Just, I don't know. Beyond blessed. I have a few friends like that we could not talk for a while. You know, life gets busy and things get in the way. And then, or life gets in the way. And then, oh my gosh. This is just everything. Like, all these little pieces. I just can't. And, I'm going to lose them. And I'm going to be so upset. Because I want to use them. I want to use them. So, yeah. But anyway, so I have a few friends like that. And then I have, friends that I talk to daily, so. Or a friend, I should say. I don't even have many friends, let's face it. Sigrid is, I think, my only friend that I speak to daily, besides my husband and daughter. And maybe the puppy, my foster team. I'm not a very, I was going to say anal person, but I'm not a very, what word do I want to say? I don't know. I can't think of the word. I'm going to tell you, it's been a day. I have so much going on right now. Yesterday, it's been a week. It's been a week. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is just, like, I'm going to hang this up in my room. In fact, I'm going to put that there. Oh, Katie, see? Oh gosh. Oh, those allergies starting. And then, which I love, you're going to hear the puppy scream for Dave. We have our fosters here, and we have 2 foster puppies left in the mom. And the mom's going to be with us till at least the first week of April. And my husband says, Dave says, we're going to just keep all 3 of them and then just call it. Like, we're done fostering. Because he loves them so much. And I don't even know why. Like these 3 in particular, but he does. And they are wonderful dogs. I mean, I love them too. But I found somebody. They're coming Saturday for Dio, who's the big boy, who's beautiful. And then there's Blondie left. And Blondie is Dave's heart. Like, ever since we first got them, she would run to him. She wants him to pick her up. She lays on him. Like, you can hear her. You hear her? That's her screaming for him to go in and get her. Because she must have heard him talking to Emily. So, anyway, so the mother we're going to get her, she has to have more blood work done the first week of April to test to make sure she doesn't have heartworm because the test came back weird or something. I don't know the last time. And, yeah, so, and then he gets his operation. He's getting cochlear ear things put in. Because he's deaf. April, it's the Thursday before the next pickup of foster puppies, which I'm going to have to skip April. But then yesterday, my daughter Emily took her puppy to get fixed. and they opened her up, and all her insides, all her organs, and just everything is like connected in these big, I don't know, like her ovaries connected to her colon, and like there's this real thick, I've never heard of it before, real thick membrane that's covering everything, and so they couldn't fix her. So they called Emily, and she was panicking, so she went and picked her up, and now she has to go see a surgeon for her, because they're afraid that if she continues to grow, she'll die because of her organs not being able to grow. And we couldn't understand. The funny thing is, you would never have known anything was wrong with her. And the doctor's like, you know, has she been in pain? And we're like, no, she's wild, you know, Emily told him. And, but she wasn't growing as fast as like her siblings that I keep in touch with. But I just thought, oh, she was the wrong, whatever. Well, here, her whole insides aren't developing. So anyway, that's just, I'm venting. I'm sorry. But it's been that. And then Dave went this morning for an MRI because he has something, before he has surgery, something going on with his ear. So they wanted to make sure it wasn't growing back, that big tumor thing. And it isn't. But then they did all his pre-op, so he was gone all morning. So he came back exhausted. And now tomorrow he goes for an MRI for his back. And, oh, God. So anyway, look how cute. I love these little rainbow earrings. Love them. So, and I love the bag. And then, I'm like all over the place. I'm sorry. We got some cards. I don't know what she did. Where'd she get all this? And anyway, you can see she just put so much thought into these as she makes them. And I'm just going to zip it through. I mean, look at this. Just beautiful little things. And I'm going to get working in here, but I don't want to. That's fabric. I'm so afraid to ruin it, but I'm going to. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to use this. It's going to encourage me to, I'm just one of the luckiest people. I swear sometimes. I always say, like, oh, I have, like, the worst luck. But people, you know, like, people, when they do this kind of stuff for me, it just blows my mind. Like, you know, look at this. Now, come on. So, yes, I was quite surprised. Quite happy. And I'm going to be quite busy arting. And then look, all this stuff. Ooh, look at that. Can you see that? Yeah. Yeah, boy, yeah. And ribbon to know where I'm at, because I wish I could wear around my neck all the time, because I have no freaking idea where I'm at half the time. I don't know. I wrote on Facebook, and I know a lot of you follow me on there. I put the other day, like, am I the only person who, like, walks into the bathroom and forgets why the hell you walk in there, but I can remember every freaking lyric from songs when I was 10. What is with that? Oh, God. Look how beautiful. Oh. And like I said, I don't want, this is like washi tape. Oh, my. Maps. And you know what the funny, Dave gave me a bunch of maps because we used to collect maps from different places. Like, we would order them. You know how you get free maps and stuff? Like, come on down to Virginia, you know. So we have like a million maps of where we want to go. And one day he was just fed up. We're moving them from one place to another. And I was like, oh no, you don't throw those away. You give those to moi. So I have those, and then I saw that, and I was like, oh yeah, I got those maps. Look at how cute. Pearl the cow. And then, again, just some beautiful papers and all, and that is beautiful glitter, because I'm all about the glitter. I'm all about it all. More is never enough. I want it all and I want it now. Nature bitch. Oh, and like a little folder with stuff in it. Little papers and... Oh, I don't want to pull that out. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Maybe it's attached. Maybe it's not. Like homemade paper. Oh, my gosh. So wonderful. So wonderful. Get in there, baby. So, yeah. So, this is it. A lot of pockets. A lot of delightful... I mean, and then you got, like, a dog with... I mean, come on. And then just... It's just beautiful. If I'm a princess in rags and tatters, I can be a princess inside. Don't know exactly what that's saying. I guess it's a thing from the Little Princess, but I am a princess now. So yeah, so this is from Katie. Katie Girl, on Facebook. And I don't know if she's making these to sell anymore. I really don't. But, you know, if you're interested in one, hit me up and then I'll see if she's doing any more and selling them. But it's beautiful and nice random act of kindness for myself because I really needed it. So, all right, guys, thanks for just going through this with me. I'll be back with an art video. Yeah, as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. And thanks for everybody who's watching my videos and my shorts and all kinds of things. So I'm trying to get back on the bucket. On the bucket? On the what? I'm trying to get on something. Let's just say that. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.